Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Mr. Edwards and this is my Google site. Okay, so if we take a look right here, very first thing actually at the top, we have our banner. I made the Bitmoji GIF to go across. I'll probably post another video to kind of show you how to make that if you would like to make one, but that is not what we are doing in this video. Right now we are just exploring the Google site for the sake of our classroom. So first things first, Mr. Edwards Classroom. Welcome to Mr. Edwards Class. At the top right, we have home and how to connect. Right now, we are at the home page. You can tell by the white bar underneath. Great. Okay, so next thing, scroll down just a little bit, and you have our current situation. This is going to be our weekly message home. I'm going to change it, update it to whatever it needs to be for that week. Just letting students and families know that this is what we are doing for the week. This is what's going to look like. Let you know if there's any updates. It's kind of like a newsletter for my classroom. As you can see here, I have two buttons. So I have a video schedule button, which if I click on, boom, takes me right down lower on the page to the video schedule. You'll notice there actually is no video schedule here yet. I give a brief description about synchronous and asynchronous learning. Synchronous is going to be learning with me and making it as much of a classroom experience as I possibly can. Asynchronous learning is more independent learning where maybe I'll create a video, post it, have an assignment afterwards, something like that. But it's going to be kind of on your own. So that's why I have that there. There will be a schedule here. It'll be updated by Thursday. Today is Monday, August 17th. It'll be updated by Thursday, August 20th. Okay, and then scroll down to the calendar, or if you want to come back and click calendar, it'll bring you right back down. Either way, this calendar is connected directly to your Google Classroom. Okay, so anything on the Google Classroom, any assignments will pop up here, and it'll say when they are due. Okay, you go back to the top right corner, it says how to connect. Give that a click and it changes the page. So here is the best way to get a hold of me and also to get on to assignments and things like that. So right here it says the best ways to get a hold of me are currently through Remind app or email. My email is right here. So we did that. You can use this email to email me. I would actually prefer if you use the Remind app though. It goes directly to my phone, and it's just way easier. I'll do a little Remind app tutorial to kind of go over that. But here we have Google Classroom right here, the green and yellow, YouTube, Zoom, and Remind. Now, Google Classroom is where assignments will be posted. I'll be doing daily updates there, like kind of what we're supposed to be doing through the day. YouTube, I'll be doing some lessons on there, some live streaming. So be sure to pay attention to that. I will also post that link into the Google Classroom every time I do a live lesson, so you will know when it's time. Zoom. Zoom is going to be used by many teachers, not just me. Okay, so you're going to have PE time through Zoom. If you have to be pulled to another classroom or if you have individual time with another teacher, you will be doing that via Zoom with that teacher, and I will have links posted for those other teachers as well. Just as you can see, Zoom is the only thing that I don't have instructions posted for on the Google site, and that is for all of our own safety because I can control kind of what goes on with the other ones. Zoom, I want to make sure I control it within the Google Classroom, so no one, unless you're in the Google Classroom, you can't access the Zoom. So that's it. That's all we have on the Google sites right now. I'll probably be posting more information, but right now we just have the home where you can get a decent amount of information, like such as our daily schedule and such, and then our how to connect, which tells you how to get on the major websites that we're going to be using. And then other things that we use will probably be posted in our Google Classroom. And I'll have links and instructions and probably a video for how to use those as well. So for right now, I'll see you later.